Hello everyone, good afternoon and good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Okay, so day 6, today, tomorrow, two more classes, and we have to do today we are going to do very important topic for the competitive exam. One of my most favorite topic of reasoning. People know that in quant my favorite topic is time and work, right? Similarly, in reasoning my favorite topic is syllogism. We are going to do syllogism. So tell me how many of you know this? What does it mean? Who knows this? What is syllogism? Asta, that's what I'm saying. Asta, this is like a competitive exam topic. Very interesting. Anybody want to explain what is syllogism? Brinda, Shubhi, Manya, anyone? What is syllogism really? Have you heard about it?
Sir, sorry. Sir, I want you to explain.
I'll explain. Shubhi, do you know?
Sir, I have heard about it
Okay,
and I have even seen the chapter in my book, but I
very
am
good.
not I don't know about this.
Manya, any ideas?
No idea, sir. May I?
But all of you would have seen the questions, but you don't know it is syllogism.
Sir, may I?
Yes, please.
Sir, syllogism is like the वो जो questions आते हैं ना statement and argument वाले.
ना स्टेटमेंट आर्गुमेंट वाले अलग होते हैं वो रेस्टल तो यू आर क्लोज बट you are close there. I know what you want to say, but it's not statement argument. Statement conclusion, statement assumption, these are different.
हाँ, but
बोल
some kind of उसी से related रहता है.
एक्चुअली बोल कौन रहा है?
शिल्पा.
शिल्पा. हाँ आवाज से मुझे लग रहा था बट आई वांट टू कंफर्म. ओके हाँ शिल्पा उसी टाइप के है बट इट इज नॉट स्टेटमेंट आर्गुमेंट्स. एनीबॉडी एल्स नोस?
हाँ, but like वैसा होता है ना कि some cats are rats, some rats are cat, उस टाइप के
हाँ
कुछ
वो
questions
स्टेटमेंट
होते
आर्गुमेंट
हैं.
नहीं है शिल्पा. वो स्टेटमेंट आर्गुमेंट नहीं है. स्टेटमेंट्स हैं वो स्टेटमेंट आर्गुमेंट नहीं है.
Statement
स्टेटमेंट्स तो है.
conclusion.
इट इज लॉजिकल रीजनिंग.
Okay.
स्टेटमेंट्स रहेंगे जैसे कि विल से all red are black, some black are blue, no black is green, some people are mad, all mads are wise, some wise are black, all anything like this. Okay, not logical reasoning. और जो दूसरा टॉपिक होता है शिल्पा एंड एवरीबॉडी दैट इज स्टेटमेंट्स एंड कंक्लूजन, स्टेटमेंट एंड एजम्पशन, स्टेटमेंट एंड आर्गुमेंट्स, वो एक अलग ब्रांच है. बट यस लॉजिकल रीजनिंग यूजिंग वेन डायग्राम व्हिच इज व्हाट वी डू. Very interesting. And our objective is to learn how to draw those Venn diagram. And this is not a quant Venn diagram. It is not a quantitative Venn diagram. जब हम लोग बात करते हैं कि 20% like maths, 30% like English, नहीं. That is different quant Venn diagram. So we are going to logical Venn diagram we are going to make. Okay, guys? Very interesting topic. You all will love it. But what I say is everybody should have a pen and paper because you are going to draw a lot of diagrams. Everybody should draw diagram. Don't hesitate. Don't do. You can say lazy. You can say don't be lazy. Okay. Because once you get the master of it, once you master it, you start loving it. Some of the people may feel difficult in starting. So give yourself 3 or 4 questions. Okay. And still you don't understand, then ask me. Shall we start? Syllogism means logical reasoning, Venn diagram. Now the question would be like this. Some statement would be given. Suppose someone will be given, say some red are blue, all blue are something, all blue are green. Then there will be some conclusion. You have to say 1 or 2 or 3 which follows. Okay, we'll come to that later. First understand what kind of relationship is there. There are 3 types of relationship. If you master that, very good. Feel free to ask me. If you don't understand, I'll give you questions. Examples. First relationship is sum. 3 type of relationship. First relationship sum. Example is some red are green. Some reds are green. And there are 2 types of diagram we make generally. I call it main diagram and possible diagram. Some reds are green. Suppose say this is red. This circle is for red. So out of this circle, There's some part which is green. This I call the Venn diagram, because some reds are green, very much evident here. So these are reds, these are green. This is called Venn diagram because some reds are green. But guys, there is also possibilities. I'll draw the possibility diagram.
Sir, but you were saying main and which diagram?
Possible. One is a Venn diagram, one is a possibility diagrams. Okay? So now I'm making the possibility diagram. If I put like this reds, suppose the big circle is for red. And if I draw another circle which is inside red, this also can represent some reds are green or not? Tell me, Manya. Does it represent? This also can represent some reds are green. It's possible, right? Ki green pura red ke andar ho.
Sir, then how will we know which one is the correct one?
Asta, what I said is don't ask question till 5 questions. Okay. The new topic to you. First, learn all the 5 examples. Otherwise, you have too many questions. Okay. So you are asking very premature questions. First, understand all the diagrams. I'll tell you exact questions, and then you get to all the answers of 5 questions. Then ask me. ठीक है, Asta? So Manya, can you draw like this or not? Red is a big circle. Inside it all green. This is also possible or not? Some reds are green. In this diagram also it shows some reds are green or not?
Yes, sir.
It shows. But there's a possibility. I don't know whether all greens are red or not. But there's a possibility, right?
Yes,
We can
sir.
say some reds are green. These are 2 possibilities. Understand everybody what the meaning of the diagrams? Main diagram left side, possible diagram right side. Now, if I say most reds are green, tell me the diagram will change. Any of the diagram will change? Both will change or none of them will change? Shubhi, what do you think? If I say most reds are green, my left diagram holds good or it has to change?
Sir, according to me, no diagram will change.
None of the diagram will change.
Or
Right,
the
Shubhi?
diagram will change. The red
Decide
will
one
become...
of them. Left side first. Main diagram will change or not? Everybody
Yes.
write all chat.
Yes,
Everybody
sir.
write all chat. The left side diagram, which is the main diagram, I call it. Will it change or will remain same? Every one of you. What
So,
is, हाँ शुभी
change.
पहले बोल रही नहीं change, no बोल रही change. Decide.
No, sir, change.
क्यों change होगा?
So, because now the question say, because now the statement says most reds are green.
Okay.
And earlier the statement was some reds are green.
Okay. So listen carefully, guys. We are doing the logical reasoning. We are not doing quantitative reasoning. Logical reasoning doesn't depend on quantity. मैं some बोलूं, most बोलूं, doesn't matter. Some reds are green or most reds are green, both are exactly same. So diagram will not change. It's a logical reasoning, guys. It's not about, for example, जो मैंने diagram पहले बनाया था ना शुभी, I could have drawn same circle like this only. Doesn't mean still mean same. Okay. Logical reasoning, quantity. Even I can draw like this, बस overlap दिखना चाहिए कहीं. ठीक है? So in the logical reasoning, don't worry about quantity at all. So neither the left side, neither the right side diagram will change. Most reds are green, ठीक है? Most हो some हो. Some reds are green, most reds are green. मतलब कि कुछ overlap है उसमें. Got everybody? So diagram will not change. Both diagram will not change. Some reds are green, most reds are green. अगर मैं बोलता हूँ some reds are Binda, some reds are not green, will diagram change or will remain same? Diagram 1, diagram 2. Let me make, this is diagram number 1. This is diagram number 2. Tell me.
Okay. Some
Diagram.
reds are.
Some
Not
reds are
green.
not green.
Sir, it will change, sir.
It will change. What others feel? Divya and Shubhi said no change. Sir, आप ऐसे फंसाते हो, right? Sir, it won't change. Manya, what do you say?
So what did you just ask?
Some reds are not green, Astha. Will the diagrams remain same, both the diagrams, or may change? Shilpa said not change. Astha, what do you say? Manya says no change, I guess. Asta says no change. Diagram will not change again. Why? Because guys, some reds are not green. हाँ, ये वाला part जो red है वो green नहीं है. ये वाला part जो red, this part of red is not green. Diagram will not change. Got everybody? Niyati? Yes. Some reds are not green. Diagram will remain same. Okay, Brinda, everyone? And last question I will ask on some before we move. Most reds. अब तक तो सबको समझ में आ गया. Most reds are not green. Will diagram change? ये एक ही बात है. In diagram में. I'm not saying ever in these two diagrams saying. Most reds are not green. बात वही है. सब most का फर्क नहीं है. Diagram will not change. So there are one main diagram, one possible diagram always in this case. Clear, Amrav? We are going to solve many questions. So some relationship is, it can happen that some part is overlapped like this or like this. Possible diagram, main diagram. Good, everyone? Relationship number 2.
सर एज यू सेड कि क्वांटिटी मैटर नहीं करती, तो
Correct.
इसके क्वेश्चन के अकॉर्डिंग दोनों कंडीशन मतलब सही है.
दोनों नहीं, क्वेश्चन के मतलब कि अगर मैंने को ये दिया है मोस्ट रेड्स आर ग्रीन, तब भी मैं सेम ही डायग्राम बनाऊंगा. मतलब
नो, आई एम नॉट सेइंग अबाउट द डायग्राम. जैसे आपने दो लिया था, एक में मतलब कुछ पार्ट लिया था एक डायग्राम में, और एक में रेड
वो आप कंक्लूजन पे आएंगे जब. सो शिल्पा, जब मैं कंक्लूजन में आएंगे, व्हेन विल कम टू कंक्लूजन, आई टेल यू हाउ टू डिडक्ट. सो पॉइंट इज both the diagrams are possible.
यस सर.
That's why conclusion is very important here. We'll come to that.
ओके.
Okay. Second relationship is all. Example, all reds are green. Here the main diagram looks like all reds are green. Suppose this is my green. All reds are green. Smaller circle is red. Be very careful. A lot of people do mistake here. The smaller circle is red. All the reds are green. Green should be the bigger circle. Main diagram. Correct? All reds are green. But there is a possibility. There is a possibility if I draw one circle like this and I draw another circle like this. Listen very carefully what I am trying to tell you. It means if I say this is red and this is green also, all red are green. This is also possible or not? In this second diagram also say all reds are green, right? So all reds are green. And believe me, I am only drawing 2. But when we solve the question, we'll draw 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 diagrams. Okay. So it's not as simple as you think. Concept is, what's the meaning of all reds are green? The moment I say all reds are green, you think, sir, there are 2 possibilities at least. Okay. All reds are green. The simple meaning is all red should come inside green. All red should come inside green. That is the whole main thing. Got everybody? Second relationship. And the third one, no relationship. Very easy. No red is green. This is the most easy relationship. No red is green means this is my red, this is my green. But I'll tell you, put a clear line between both and put a clear cross between both. Don't just left the circle like that. I'll tell you, because we are going to do very difficult questions and then you will be confused. Red, green. It clearly says no red is green, cross between them. Or this is the only relationship which works both ways. When no red is green, definitely means no green is red also. In the other relationship, we don't know. Here it totally means no red is green, means no green is red also. Okay, these are the 3 relationships. Now how question will come? Everybody okay about the 3 relationship? Now, how question will come? See, first basic question. You will be given two or three statements or two or more statements. Let me show you the example. You will be given two or more statements and two or more conclusions. So listen very carefully. The most common mistake people do is what? You have to take the statement as true. Doesn't matter common facts, doesn't matter. There is no relation with the reality at all. It's a logical reasoning. So to always take the statement as true, and then you have to read the conclusion and say whether conclusion one follows. You can say only when you're 100% sure the conclusion follows. Listen very carefully. The most common mistake, people will say, sir, ये हो सकता है, and definite is totally different thing. So when you say conclusion one follows, means one is definitely true, not the possibility only. Or you say conclusion two follows, means conclusion two definitely follows. Or you will say either one or two follows. Either का बहुत कम होता है case. We'll talk about separately for that. You will say, sir, no, neither one, neither two. Both, none of them follows. Or you will say both follows. Okay? One follows, two follows, both follows, neither follows. That is how we do the question. We'll start with very, very easy questions first. And then we'll start with increase the level. Depend how much level you want. We can go to very high level. Very easy question, first question. In the first question, I'm writing the option. Next onward, I'll not write the options. Okay? The option will be always same. Question will be like this. Statement will be given two statements like this. To conclusion. You have to read the statement, make the diagram, and then say only one conclusion follows, only two follows, either follows, neither follows, both follows. That is what you have to do. Okay? Now I'll solve this question, and next question you will solve. First statement says all harmoniums are instruments. What I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a diagram, harmonium, instrument. So this H. Iskan, wait. I'm not asking answer. No, don't. Nobody should write the answer yet. Guys, wait. Guys, I want you to draw the diagrams first. Tell me the diagrams. Answer is very easy then. All harmonium are instruments. So, if you see here, what I did, I put some overlap. But also it's possible, it can be possible. It's also possible that diagram can be like this. So we'll make both the diagrams. Okay, guys? All harmonium instrument with what? What I'm doing, 1 second. Let me, all the harmonium instruments. So obviously there would be.
Yeah, the first one was wrong, right? Like the one that you
Correct.
did.
Because I have thinking something else. All, it is not some. So suppose smaller means this. Right, Asta? Or it also
Yes, I
possible
got
that.
confused because
No,
of.
that's why I didn't suggest wait. Or it is possible that there is one circle for both. This is only for the first statement. Everybody agree? So second statement says all instruments are flutes. All instruments are flutes. It can happen like this. Flute will be the bigger circle of than the instruments. Flutes. It also can happen like this. Now, Iskan, there is any possibility or not yet?
So there is possibility.
What is that?
Sir, both harmonium and flutes can intersect.
Space. Okay, let me do one thing. Let me remove this part because we don't need the options. Option anywhere people knows every question. Okay, now I have space. So, sorry, what you are saying, Iskan?
Sir, harmonium and flutes can
Harmonium
intersect.
intersect.
Yes.
All, so it can possible like this: H, comma, I, comma, F. All three can be in one circle only, right? Right, Skand?
Yes, sir.
There is one more possibility, guys. Can anybody tell me there is one more possibility? Cannot happen like this, where you say
Inside that only one more.
H, comma, I, and then F. Right, everybody? This may
But sir,
diagram.
you already did this, no? The
Nahin,
second diagram which you draw.
nahin,
Sir,
nahin,
it
nahin.
is same one like second option you have.
Wait.
The one on
Wait.
this side is the same.
Array, wait. I wanted to write like this. अब ठीक है?
हाँ.
Right? All four are different now or not? Any more diagram anybody can think? Why I'm trying four diagram? Because you should first learn how to draw all the diagram, because when we go to level 3, level 4 questions, it will not be straightforward, right? Any
Sir.
other diagram you can think of, anybody?
So,
Yes, please, Shubhi.
so I was asking that we are the diagrams which you have drawn, are you on the basis of the first two statements or including the conclusions also?
No conclusion. I not read the conclusion yet, Shubhi.
Only the
We have to
statement.
always draw the diagram based on statements. In the end, I'll tell you how to draw diagram reverse with conclusion. But we should not draw diagram with the conclusion. No, conclusion we have to find out, right, Shubhi? Diagram is based only on the statements. Confusion है कुछ, Shubhi?
नहीं sir, हो गया वो clear.
Chart diagram. Actually, we can make many more diagram. Anybody think any more diagram? Shubham, Niyati, Asha, Manya, Skand, anyone? So let's draw the conclusion now. So these four diagrams, let's start. Now, as I said, conclusion can be true only when it's true everywhere. Let's talk about the first. Let's start with Skand. Skand, read
Yes,
the first
sir.
conclusion.
All the flutes are instruments.
So tell me in this diagram. Okay, let me name the diagram. One, so that I'll ask everybody in the diagram number this whether this real, this is true or not. So tell me diagram number 1. All flutes
Yes,
are
sir.
instrument. Yes or no?
No, sir.
No, because flute is the outside. This part of flutes are not instruments, correct?
Yes.
So if it fails in any one diagram itself, there is no point of checking other diagram, because it is not true. So it does not follow. Agree, Skand?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
If it has to be true, it has to be everywhere. एक में भी fail हुआ, it fails in any one of them, then gone. Next, Manya, tell me about. Can you read the second one, please?
Yes, sir. All the harmoniums are flutes.
Tell me diagram 1. All the harmoniums are flutes.
Yes, sir.
See, harmonium is small one. Obviously, harmonium coming inside the flutes. So yes, it is true.
It's
So
true.
true. What about second?
True, sir.
Because all else have consent. So all harmoniums are definitely flutes. So true.
True.
What about third one?
True, sir.
So
Harmonium
harmonium coming
flutes
inside.
under that.
So correct. Fourth one?
True, sir.
True, sir. So yes, then we can definitely say, because conclusion 2 follows, right, Manya?
Yes, sir.
So one more thing people say is, sir, how many diagrams we should make? I'll tell you, initially when you're learning this, try to 2, 4, 5 all diagrams possible. But when you get little experience, when you do few questions, then even one diagram is sufficient, because you will know which diagram will not work. Okay? So initially you try all diagrams. So everybody okay? Answer
But
for
sir,
this.
so if one diagram is like it's a no and all the are the yes, like this one, for all the flutes are instruments, so it will be wrong.
Correct. Yes, so that's why I say conclusion 1 does not follow. Only conclusion 2 follows.
So that will the majority win, or if any of them just goes wrong, then the statement will
There is
be
nothing
wrong.
called majority, Asta. तभी तो मैं बोल रहा हूँ, रुक जाओ थोड़ा सा. You watch all questions. This is the very new topic to you. There is nothing called majority, minority. We have to prove beyond doubt. Ki yes, if there is no failing, then it's conclusion 2. Conclusion, what conclusion means? There is no doubt, right? What conclusion means? There is no doubt. So conclusion follows only when it is always true. Negative conclusion will come later. So all harmonium are flutes, yes. In every diagram, even if one diagram fails, we cannot conclude. Is everyone okay now? Asta got your answer? Asta, wait for 3-4 questions. You will get all your answers, okay? What about others? Everybody is okay on this? Simple question, very simple question. Let's try the second one now. Thank you, Manya, and thank you, Skan. Let's try second question. Read this, start doing it. Shubhi, you will solve, and Shilpa, you will solve. Okay, with me. Some ants are parrots, all the parrots are apples, and then 2 conclusions. I'll give you 15 seconds and we start making the diagrams only first. Shubhi, okay? Okay, Divya, Shubham. Start, Shubhi. You will make all the diagrams for first statement.
So for the first statement, some ants are parrots. So we'll draw one big circle.
Like this?
No, sir. One big circle.
You want to draw the possible diagram. Always try the main diagram first, Shubhi. You are trying to do possible diagram first.
Okay.
You are trying to put parrot inside ants, right?
No, sir. Parrot. हाँ मतलब ants.
This is the main diagram, Shubhi. Some ants are parrot मतलब क्या है कि some overlap होना चाहिए, right? No, you might be trying this first.
Yes, sir.
This is the possible diagram, Shubhi. You can draw, but I'll suggest always try with the main diagram.
Okay, sir.
So here you are assuming कि parrot अंदर हो सकते हैं, हो सकते हैं.
No.
So these 2 diagrams, right, Shubhi?
Yes, sir.
Good. Shilpa. All the parrots are apples. Shilpa,
Yes, sir.
tell me how we draw. First, we'll draw in the diagram number 1. All the parrots are apples.
All the parrots are apples, so we can make the second one is like we can overlap
Like this?
it can be. Or
Correct?
we can overlap the apple on parrot as well.
वही नहीं वो पॉसिबिलिटी आएगा फिर से.
वो थर्ड ऑप्शन हो जाएगा.
वो पॉसिबिलिटी में आएगा कि यू आर एज्यूमिंग कि 2 सेम है. अभी तो all parrots are apples simply means all parrots are apples, right? Like this.
Yes, sir.
How you make the same diagram in the top one? All parrots are apple.
We can make the another circle over parrot.
Like this.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. Thank you. Next, Divya. What other possibilities are there? Can you make 1 or 2 more diagrams, Divya?
Yes, sir.
Tell me what other possibilities there. We'll not draw all now. We'll draw 1 or 2 more.
Yeah.
Suppose it's like this. Suppose ants and parrots are like this. Okay.
Okay.
So how you want to draw apples now? Some ants are parrots. All parrots are
Yeah, so
apples.
parrot, comma, apple.
Yeah, that is also possible. Okay, parrot, comma, apple. Yes. There is one more. There may be few more possibilities, guys. We can draw.
Sir, apples, then inside that parrots and ants.
That is also possible, right?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Divya. Thank you, Skand. So let me put this. Let me draw this is the last one. Say this is the apple. Some ants are parrots. This is what you are saying?
Yes, sir.
Correct. So guys, like that you can, the experience you know that, okay, we will not need all unless we are started getting the sense of the question key, whether some relationship is there or all is there or none is there. So let's start now. Asta, unmute.
Yes, sir.
Read the first conclusion.
All the apples are parrots.
This is the first diagram. Let me number 1, 2, 3, 4. Tell me in first diagram, your conclusion follows or not follows?
Does not follow.
All apples are parrots. Why doesn't follow? Because this part of apple is not. Because apple is bigger. Actually, parrot is inside apple, not ulta, right? So it doesn't follow, right? First one. In the diagram 1.
It does not follow.
So anyway, it means our conclusion 1 does not follow. But just for practice, Asta, tell me in diagram 2. In diagram 2.
False.
Diagram 2 also doesn't follow. In diagram 3,
True.
all apples are parrots. No. See, apple is this big one. Na?
No, that's diagram 4, sir.
Yes, you are right. Sorry, my mistake. So here all apples are parrot is true. And here all apples parrot is wrong. Correct?
False.
So anyway,
Yes.
even if we got one false, we can say does not follow. Agree? As I
Yes.
said, if it fails only at once, you can definitely know it does not follow. Very good. Next. Next is say Vrinda. Read the conclusion 2 and tell me.
Some ants are apples.
Tell me diagram 1. Some ants are apples. Follow or doesn't follow?
Some.
See, this
Yes,
part
sir,
of
it
ants is
follows.
apples, right?
Yes, sir, it can follow.
So this is true here. In the diagram number 2, some ants are apples.
Yes, sir.
This part of all ants are apples, right? So true.
Yes, sir, follows.
Third one
Third one, yes.
follows, right? Because this part of ants are apples, right?
Yes, sir.
And the last one,
Fourth, it follows,
will.
sir.
so in
Yes,
everywhere
sir.
it's following. So we can clearly say only conclusion 2 follows. Agree everyone? Right, Brinda? Anybody
Yes,
any
sir.
confusion? Fine. Shubhi?
Like for the first main diagram, this ant and parrots wala. So here, why can't we put apple inside and parrot outside?
Because all parrots are apple थोड़ी होगा. अगर apple inside और parrot outside मतलब क्या होता है? All apples are parrots. क्वेश्चन में दिया है स्टेटमेंट all parrots are apples. देखो देखो स्टेटमेंट क्या दिया है पहला शुभी?
That some
All
ants.
parrots are apples. No, ये वाला बोल रहा हूँ.
हाँ.
All parrots are apple. मतलब कि इसको ऐसे सोचो. All these parrots, right?
हाँ.
These are apples. अगर मैं एप्पल यहाँ रखता हूँ और पैरेट यहाँ रखता हूँ तो कैसे हो सकता है? वो तो फिर ऑल एप्पल्स आर पैरेट्स हो गया ना, उल्टा हो गया ना वो तो. ठीक है?
हाँ सर.
Let's move on, guys. Third one. Please stop me if you are getting difficulty, anyone. No, we'll do a little fast. One person will explain all and we'll move on, okay? Everybody solve this and tell me the answer now. 1 follow, 2 follow, both follow, neither follow. That's it. Manya, let's start making all the diagrams quickly.
Sure, sir.
Some papers are pens.
Intersecting circles.
बना दिया paper और pen.
Now one big circle.
ठीक है, एक big circle बना लिया. And
Papers. And यहाँ पे छोटे वाले में pens.
you are right. So we should always start with these two at least. Paper and pen. Read the second statement now.
All the pencils are pens.
All pencils are pens. तो अगर फर्स्ट डायग्राम में कहाँ डालेंगे उसको? All pencils are pens.
सर एक तो इस पे
Here, right?
इसमें yes sir.
The smaller will be the pencils. Agree?
Yes sir.
Wait. Pencil.
And एक
Second
और
वाले में
बंदे
कहाँ
का
डालेंगे? First we'll complete the given diagram. Then we'll make another one.
ओके सर, so इसमें भी पेन के राउंड डालेंगे,
अंदर, पूरा अंदर, fully inside. Yeah, right?
और पेंसिल, यस सर।
मैंने छोटा बना दिया, but it's okay. चल जाएगा। Yeah, I'm writing PC. PC मतलब pencil, you assume. Okay. Manya, what else we can draw?
सर
At least 1 2 diagram more if you want.
ओवरलैपिंग सर्कल्स पेन एंड पेंसिल के।
You are saying like this?
नो, जस्ट पेन एंड पेंसिल वाले।
No, you are saying all pencil or pens you're making like that?
नहीं, पेपर्स का तो इंटरसेक्टिंग ही रहेगा, लेकिन पेन ऑन पेंसिल
हाँ
का।
हाँ मैं समझ गया. Okay, overlapping. Okay.
यस सर।
So let me write. Suppose these are paper. These are pens. You are saying pencil also this one, right?
यस सर।
Good. Any more you want to make?
एक और बन जाएगा सर।
ये second वाला है सर.
यस सर।
Where you make some kind of
पेपर्स एंड ओवरलैपिंग पेंसिल्स एंड पेन्स।
exactly. So ये papers हो गया. And papers are outside one, right?
यस सर।
ये दोनों pen pencil. That's what you are saying?
यस सर।
Is everyone okay? No, read out the conclusion one, Manya, in all the diagrams and tell me whether it follows or not follows.
Some pens are pencils.
पहले इसमें देखते हैं.
Some. No sir. नहीं, yes sir.
हाँ, क्योंकि ये वाला पार्ट ऑफ पेन पेंसिल है ना.
Yes sir.
तो यहाँ तो
Some
हो रहा है ये.
pencil.
क्योंकि some pens are pencil, right?
Yes sir.
पूरा पेन का ही बड़ा सर्कल है, right?
Yes sir. Some
उसका
pens
some
are
part is
pencils.
coming inside here, right?
Yes sir.
What about in this diagram?
Some pens are pencils. Yes.
ये
No
भी
sir.
true है. क्यों no?
Some pens are pencils.
हाँ, ये वाला पार्ट जो पेन का है वो पेंसिल में भी है ना. पेन तो
Okay,
पूरा
okay.
पार्ट है बड़ा सा.
Yes yes sir.
उसका
Some
इतना
pens
सा
are
पार्ट
pencils.
पेंसिल में भी है, right?
Yes sir.
ठीक है, तो यहाँ भी हो गया. In this one?
No sir. इसमें सारे ही हो रहे हैं.
हाँ, तो सारे हो रहे तो ऊपर सुपर सेट हुआ ना. Right? Some pens are pencil. हाँ, in fact all pens are pencil. अगर all pens are pencil है तो some pens are pencil तो है ही obviously, right?
Okay okay.
Possibility. So यहाँ पे भी हाँ बोलेंगे because it's a superset. Some pens are pencil definitely.
Fourth
और
वाले
the
में
last
भी
one होगा.
हो गई.
So conclusion 1 तो सब जगह हो रहा है.
Yes sir.
Let's talk about some conclusion number 2 now in all the diagrams again.
Some pens are papers. First वाले में हो रहा है.
Some pens are papers. ये वाला पार्ट कॉमन है, right?
Yes sir.
तो हो गया. इसमें ऊपर वाला
Second
क्या
वाले में भी हो रहा है.
Some
Some
pens
pens
are
are
papers.
papers.
In fact, this part of pen is paper, right?
Yes sir.
हो रहा है. Third one,
हो रहा है. Some pens are papers.
पूरा अंदर आ रहा है तो obviously होना ही है. सारा ही होना है इसलिए. And the last one,
Yes sir. Some pens are papers.
मतलब
हो रहा है. दोनों conclusion follow हो रहे हैं.
so finally what is the answer?
Both conclusion follows.
Clear है ना मान्या?
Yes sir.
Good. Both follows is the right answer. Thank you, Manya. Everybody got it? It is both follows. Please ask me if anybody has confusion or different, you think differently.
Sir, but now how will we, like when we are drawing the diagram, how will we know it's which one is the main and which one is the
Does not matter. Does not matter. Does not matter. Ideally, it does not matter. But yes, see, when you say some pens are, some papers are pen, so what is logical? So some paper are pen, मतलब ये कुछ part overlap होगा, right?
Yes, sir.
You cannot assume कि नहीं सर सारा अंदर होगा, right? That is possible, but
Yes.
that's why this is main. This is possible. इससे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Why do we need all the
Okay,
lines?
sir.
Correct?
Thank
It's logical. Move on, guys. Any other doubt?
यहाँ पे एक डायग्राम और पॉसिबिलिटी चांसेस है कि जो पेपर वाला मतलब जो पेंसिल और पेपर पार्ट है, सॉरी जो पेन और पेंसिल है उसका
हाँ.
कुछ पार्ट जो मतलब पेपर हो जाएगा, क्योंकि पेन सा मतलब सम ऑल पेंसिल्स आर
Shilpa, you are saying a fifth diagram?
यस सर.
Tell me how it is.
फर्स्टली आप एक पेन
एक सर्कल बना लिया.
ओके.
ये किसका सर्कल है?
पेपर।
पेपर का। चलो उसके बाद इसको पेपर मान
उसके
लिया।
बाद एक और सर्कल पेंसिल्स का।
अलग से बाहर?
यस सर, मतलब इसके कुछ पार्ट कवर करे पेपर का।
मतलब ऐसा ना?
यस सर।
ये कौन हो गया?
पेन्स।
पेन्स हो गया, ठीक है।
फिर इसके अंदर एक इसके ऊपर जो कवर करे, मतलब
ऑल
जो
पेंसिल्स आर पेन।
हाँ, जो मतलब पेंसिल को भी कवर करे एज वेल एज, सॉरी, पेन को भी कवर करे एज वेल एज कुछ पार्ट पेपर का भी इंक्लूड करे।
यू आर सेइंग लाइक दिस?
नो नो नो, इसके ऊपर से, बाहर से।
ऑल पेंसिल्स आर पेन्स।
हाँ, कुछ ऐसा ही डायग्राम, मतलब
ऐसा?
इसके अंदर ही सर, इसके अंदर
देखो
ही।
पेंसिल तो पूरा अंदर होना चाहिए, राइट? ऐसे?
हाँ, मतलब नहीं नहीं नहीं, अंदर ही
देखो
मतलब कुछ।
पेंसिल तो पूरा पेन के अंदर आना चाहिए, राइट?
यस सर।
So what you are saying? Which diagram? Which is? I'm trying to understand. Is it like this or no?
यस इट इज।
ये डायग्राम नहीं बनाया क्या हमने?
नो, आई डोंट थिंक सो।
बनाया नहीं ये?
सर यहाँ पे ओवरलैपिंग का बनाया हुआ है, बट उसी के जैसा सेम ये।
ठीक है। So this also, yes, you are right. This also happened. But in
तो
this case
इसमें
also,
हाँ, अगर ये वाला सिचुएशन बनाते हैं तो जो दोनों कंक्लूजन है वो पूरे फॉलो, मतलब सेटिस्फाई करेगा।
नहीं जरूर, नो नो नो, दोनों कंक्लूजन सब में फॉलो कर रहा है, देखो।
हाँ, बट अकॉर्डिंग टू कंक्लूजन इसमें कंप्लीटली सेटिस्फाई करेगी।
हाँ, but that is not a case, Shilpa. That case is never, see, no. In yes case, see, तो you are saying both the conclusion यहाँ पे follow नहीं करेगा? Follow करेगा obviously.
हाँ।
तो फिर completely मतलब क्या हुआ? There is no difference.
यस सर।
You can just क्या one more diagram possible, that's it.
ओके सर।
ठीक है? Okay, next question, please. Now we are going to do negative conclusions and I'm going to tell you how it works. But first you try. And I want Skan to explain this after 30 seconds when everyone is done. Okay? Read this, draw your own diagrams and tell me what should be the answer in your opinion. It's a very easy one. Okay, Shubham. Keep writing, everyone, please. Asta, you are clear or doubts are there now?
Sir, it's clear, but just practice will make it perfect.
We have to, yeah, we are just starting. We are going to go a little more deep. Yes, practice is required. Skan, let's start quickly.
Yes, sir.
All cups are books.
Concentric circles.
And then all books are shirts. एक और बड़ा बनाया था. This is the most basic diagram of this, right?
Yes, sir.
Cup, books, shirts. और फिर बाकी वो सारे आएंगे overlap वाले. That's it, right?
Yes.
We can make just one diagram because there can be 3 and 4, but one diagram will all are comma based, right?
Yes.
This is cup, other can be book and shirts, or all should be one together, or C comma B comma. There are so many possibilities, right?
Yes.
So that's enough. This is good enough because we know that other will be C comma B comma S, or will be C comma B in one circle, S will be outside, right?
Yes.
So everybody understand by experience now. So let's quickly read the conclusion, Stan, and tell me.
Some cups are not shirts. Sir, all cups are shirts.
Some cups are not shirts. No, all cups are shirts. So definitely it's it go on false here, right?
Yes.
In fact, here also gone false.
Yes.
So first conclusion does not follow. Read the second one, Skan.
Some shirts are cups. Yes, sir.
Some shirts are cups. Yes. Whatever the inside overlap part, this part of cups are, this part of shirts are cups, right?
Yes, sir.
The second one,
Yeah.
again
Yes.
same thing. Obviously conclusion 2 follows. Very easy one.
Yes.
Thank you. So only conclusion 2 follows. Everybody is okay on this? Shubham,
Yes, sir.
any doubt?
No, sir.
Let's move on, guys. I'm very keen to do some difficult question also. Let me first finish all these easy ones, then we'll go to higher level. And stop me if you feel different. Shubham, you will solve this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, everybody draw it. Shubham, 15 seconds, then you draw.
Yes, sir.
First time we are doing no chalk is toffee. And I'm going to tell you very important thing now. I'll modify this question after we solve this. Let's start making Shubham the diagram first.
Yes, sir.
All buildings are chalks,
Yes, sir. Inside chalks are one circle.
correct?
Yes, sir.
This is building
Building and bigger one chalk.
chalks. No chalk is toffee.
So outside of both the circle. Toffee.
And I should clearly put, I said, which is required, no
Arrow.
chalk is toffee.
Yes.
And I'll tell you
Right.
in this question why we need that, okay, everybody? And a cross. Right?
Yes, sir.
There's one more possibility.
No, sir.
It is.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the possibility? Tell me.
So B and C are both the same.
And that is required.
Yes.
Not in this conclusion, but required.
Yes.
So 2 are enough.
Yes, sir.
1 second. Let me draw it and then you will read the conclusion. So everybody, okay, these two diagrams look like. Please read the Shubham first conclusion and tell your
Sir, no building is toffee. So
no
it's
building is toffee. Is follows or not follows?
Not follows, sir.
Why?
So because building and this is not connected to.
See,
T
none of no, but that's the problem. See, building is inside chalk. If none of the chalk is toffee, how building can be toffee?
Yes, sir. Follows, sir. It follows. No building is toffee. It follows.
Because building is inside.
Follows.
Ulta nahi hai.
Yes, sir.
What about the second one?
All chalks are buildings.
No.
Yes,
I am saying the first conclusion in the second diagram.
Yes, sir. No, follows, sir.
No building is toffee, correct, right?
Yes, correct, sir.
We can definitely say one follows. Now read the second conclusion now.
All chalks are buildings. So
All
not follows,
chalks are
sir.
building.
Not follows, sir.
Here doesn't follow because this part of chalk is not building, right?
Yes, sir.
But here it's all.
Yes.
So finally, what you will say conclusion? Follows or not follows? Second one.
Not follows.
Because it has to follow everywhere.
Yes, sir.
It failed here itself, the main diagram. So definitely, what is the final answer of this question? Only
one follows.
good, Shubham. Good. Got everybody? Any confusion? I'm going to modify this now. Is everyone okay on this? Shall I modify this question now? If my question becomes Asha, tell me how the diagram will look like now. Asha, are you there? कौन है यहाँ पे? Asha is there.
sir.
Asha, how we make the diagram? All buildings are chalks. My first diagram holds good.
And
All buildings are chalk. First diagram is okay, right? On the first statement.
yes,
The second statement said no building is toffee. So that is not correct, right?
yes.
What is the change will happen now?
That line will go to D.
And that is the importance of line. It's a no building is toffee. It should come like this, correct?
Yes.
So no building is toffee. Here it's okay. Here because both are overlap, right? Second diagram.
Yes.
No, both the diagrams are okay now.
Yes.
So now tell me, read the conclusion and tell me. First one, no chalk is toffee. no chalk is toffee. Can you conclude or not? Asha, no chalk is toffee. I know no building is toffee, but this
Yes.
part of chalk can be toffee, right?
Yes.
We don't know. It can be toffee, right?
Yes.
So I cannot conclude. Here, okay, here it cross is there. Here no chalk is toffee is correct.
Yes.
But here I don't know. If something I don't know, I cannot. Because it can also happen now, guys. See now. If I make like this, listen very carefully. No building is toffee. So it can also happen that if my diagram is like this, Asha, listen carefully, everybody. If you make a diagram like this, listen very carefully. All buildings are chalk. This is building. This is chalk. No building is toffee. Tell me honestly, this diagram can happen also, right, Asha?
Yes.
It's possible, right? All buildings are chalks, okay. No buildings toffee. Guys, this is what I was trying to tell you. Don't assume anything. This is also possible, right, Asha?
Yes, sir.
Because here say all buildings are chalk, building are inside chalk. No building is toffee, building and toffee are separate. So, when we say no chalk is toffee, how can we say no chalk is toffee? This part of chalk is toffee, right?
Yes.
Understand, everybody? This part of chalk is toffee, right? So, we cannot conclude one. A lot of people say one, but one we cannot conclude. All chalks are building anyway? Not
Yes.
no. So, the answer of this question would be neither of 1 and 2 follow. Thank you, Asha. Understood, everybody? Don't do that mistake. No statement you have to be very sure about, okay? In any of the single case also is possible, then you cannot say it is true. No chalk is toffee, you can say only when in all the case there is no possibility at all. We saw the possibility. CC, doubt, ask me. Manya, got it? Linda? Good. Asta? This was the different one because we were saying no chalk is toffee. We can
Yes,
conclude
sir,
only-
I understood this.
This is a very different one. And that's why this arrow is very important. This arrow, when this arrow goes here up to building, it said no building is toffee. In this case, I am saying no building is toffee. Some chalks can be toffee. I don't know. It can be. And I draw it here, right? That's the point. Let's try a couple of questions more. We have time is over, I know, but let's try quickly. Are you getting it is getting more interesting, guys? Are you started loving this syllogism? It's like a challenge. Believe me, we can go up to very deep. This is only level 2 we are doing now. Try this, everyone, and write your answers. 4 conclusions. Say 1 follows, 2 follows, 3 follows, 4 follows, or 1 and 2 follows, 2 and 4, light, whatever combination, okay? Where Shubhi went?
I am here only, sir.
Oh, you are there. Okay. No, generally, you are down now. Generally, it comes on top. Okay. So, Divya, clear? Shilpa, Divya, Shubham, all good, right till now?
Yes, sir.
Perfect. Solve this, everyone. Skan says 3 follows. Okay. Manya says 3. Shubham says 3. Okay. Who want to explain this quickly? Who want to make a diagram with me and quickly solve this? Tell me, any one of you. Volunteer.
Sir, may I?
Yeah, Asta, you should. So Asta will make a diagram first of first statement. No door is dog. क्या करें?
So we draw two circles and then we put a line we join them by a line and put a cross there
You are
and
right.
label them as a door and a dog.
You are done. Door and dog. Arey.
And we can
Read the next one.
all the dogs are cats.
All the dogs are cat. How should I draw this one?
So sir, we can put another big circle with in line with the dog one.
Like this?
Yes.
Good. And the bigger will be the cat, right?
Yes.
Can you see one more possibility?
So another one can be if we
Socho.
draw dogs and cats like
This is door. This is dogs. And it can also be cats,
or
right?
cats.
Okay, in the owl I said, right? It can be the same owl
Yes.
circle also. And again put across. This is possible, right? It's not true, sure, but possible. Agree?
Yes.
Asta, read the conclusion one, and every conclusion will solve in both, okay? Both the diagrams.
No door is cat.
No door is cat. Diagram one.
So there can be one more possibility.
Cat.
Okay, let's come tell me Skand.
The cats and doors can intersect.
It can intersect. You are perfectly right. It can happen that this is my cats, right?
Inside that dogs.
Inside that some dogs are there. You are perfectly right. That's what it's very important to draw like this.
Yes.
Dogs.
So didn't we do the same thing here like a door?
Wait for a second.
Wait, रुको तो सही आस्था. You have patience. Like this?
Not completely, sir, but part.
No, what I'm saying is ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है.
Yes, sir.
Maybe you might think something different. I am thinking something different.
Yes, sir.
No door is dog, okay? All dogs are cat. You are telling one more thing, right?
Yes.
Yes. Let me draw. So that's why, guys, don't rule out any possibilities, okay? So let's see. What you are saying, Skand? You are saying door should go little outside also, right?
Same.
See, guys, so many possibilities. See, cat is like this. Then he's saying door is something like, say, this is door. And this is
Yes.
dog.
That's it.
Let me write it, guys. So this is cats. Tell me, Skand, I'm right. That is dogs. No door is dog. So this can be doors. And no door is dog. Okay. All dogs are cat. Is perfect. Yes. See, guys, that's why we cannot assume just like that. We have to put an arrow there. Asta, clear, right? Everybody okay? This can be diagram. These main diagrams are there.
Yes, sir.
Asta, read the first conclusion. Thank you, Skand. Let's first read the first conclusion.
No door is cat, which is
No door
false.
is cat. No door is cat falls in which diagram? This diagram number 1, diagram number 2,
Sir, it's
diagram
false
number
in
3, 4. Tell me. No door is cat.
No door is cat is false in in
In diagram
two.
number 3.
Yes.
In diagram number 3, all doors are cat. So बिल्कुल उल्टा है वो, right?
Yes, sir.
In diagram 3, all the doors are cats. So how can we say no door is cat, right?
Yes, sir.
So first conclusion is false. Read the second one, Asta.
No cat is door.
No
That's
cat is door. That also is the same diagram. No cat is door. How can we say? Some cats are definitely door here, right?
Yes, sir.
Second also gone. What about the third one?
Some
cats are dogs.
True.
In the let's Asta, when it's true, we have to check all the diagrams. Some cats are. Tell me diagram number 1.
Yes. So even in 1, even in 3, and even in
Wait,
4.
wait. In the one, some cats
And
are
in-
dogs. Yes. Some cats are dogs. Yes. Some cats are dogs. Yes. Some cats are dogs. Everywhere is true, right?
Yes, sir.
So third one is true. Read the fourth one.
All the cats are dogs.
All cats are dogs.
All.
In the diagram one,
It's
diagram one
false.
itself is false, right?
Yes, sir.
Forget everything else. So only conclusion 3 follows. Asta, you got the good idea now? Because big
Yes.
question you solved it. You made a lot of diagrams. Anybody? No, you can ask me question or doubt on this question. And how many you
No,
said
sir,
here?
all clear. Thank you.
Thank you, Asta. Anybody else? Any doubt? Yes, many you said 3, but not everybody solved, guys. Divya said, Manya said, Shubham said. Shubhi, where is your answer, Shubhi?
Sir, I was confused about the answer, but I got the answer 3 only, but I was just confused between 3 and 4.
You was confused. Now you are confused or you're clear now?
No, I'm clear now.
Akka?
Yes, sir.
Good. Anybody, any confusion? Shall we do one more question or enough? Tell me quickly.
One more question.
One more question. Let's try. Let me select little different one. Please read this and tell your answers. We're not done this right yet.
No, sir.
Okay, please try everyone.
Sir, can I solve it after that with you?
Who's saying?
Should be.
Should be sure. Sorry, should be because I have not seen who is. I'm not good in the. Yes, you will. Everybody write answer 10-15 seconds, then Shubhi will start making all the diagrams. Okay, Shubhi?
Yes, sir.
Skan say neither one, no two follows. Okay. No follows. Manya says okay. Shubham says no. Let's start, Shubhi. People are writing answers, so we'll start making diagrams.
So the first diagram we'll make is one big circle and inside that one small circle.
So which is small, which is big?
So the small one is window and the big one is door.
You are right. And no door is wall.
So for that we'll draw another circle and we'll make a line between them and we'll
Yes.
mark square.
Correct. And
So
that is
that
wall.
will be door. Wall.
Next, what diagram we can make?
So for next diagram we'll make a circle. Next to it we'll draw another circle and for the first circle we can write window comma door.
वो भी ठीक है.
Or there will be a line between it with a square with a cancel mark.
Perfect. और भी बन सकता है या काफी
हाँ
है?
so नहीं सर
बोलो.
एक और हाँ
बोलो,
for
बोलो,
next
बोलो.
we can draw a one big circle.
ठीक है.
उसमें दो छोटे सर्कल एक विंडो एक वॉल.
ठीक है. What should I write where?
So for the big circle it is a door. No sir.
नहीं.
No
Door
sir,
or
this
wall?
is the wall. हाँ door.
No door is wall ऐसा आएगा. और all the windows are doors. ना ऐसा भी नहीं होगा.
नहीं sir, the big circle is door.
Big circle is door. तो फिर wall अंदर क्या आ सकता है?
हाँ correct.
नहीं हो सकता. No door is wall ऐसा होगा. और all the windows are doors. ना. विंडो अंदर आ सकता है. वो तो ऑलरेडी है हमारे पास पहला वाला रहेगा.
हाँ.
So that won't work like this. Correct?
Yes, so ये दो
नो डोर इज
डायग्राम,
वॉल, ये दो डायग्राम ही होंगे अभी तो
हाँ
हटा दो. We'll see. If anybody any other diagrams? नो का रेशो बिल्कुल सिंपल होता है. Should we read the conclusion 1 and 2 in both the diagrams?
So for the first conclusion, there is some windows are wall. So for the first diagram, it
Some
goes
windows are
through.
walls. Some windows are walls. Is
नहीं, not true, not true.
because सारा window door के अंदर है और none of the door is wall.
None of the door is wall.
तो
Yes.
ये तो
sir.
यहाँ हो ही नहीं सकता है, right?
हाँ.
Second diagram में
So second diagram में भी नहीं होगा.
तो first तो चला गया, cancelled.
हाँ.
No wall is a door.
No wall is a door. It is clearly shown क्योंकि
यहाँ भी है
if
clear,
no
हाँ.
door is a wall, then no wall is
Vice
a door.
versa. तो यहाँ हो गया, यहाँ पे भी हो गया. तो it is straightforward.
Yes, sir. So
Actually,
neither
the moment ये
goes.
statement दिखता है, no door is a wall, उसका उल्टा तो होना ही होना है.
हाँ. So neither goes.
No wall is a door.
No wall is a door.
No wall is a
नहीं,
door.
वही-
तो अरे no wall is a door तो true है ना?
हाँ तो मैं वही बोल रही हूँ ना सर, दोनों false क्यों?
अरे
हाँ, no wall is a door.
no wall is door तो follow हो रहा है ना?
हाँ.
हाँ, no wall is door. Guys, you all are saying no wall is door, but is it follows or not?
Sir, it
fo-
follows.
Thank you, Shubhi. Answer should be
Second conclusion goes.
हाँ. Many people thought कि अरे नहीं हो रहा है तो नहीं, ऐसा नहीं है, guys. See, lot of people wrote like this. Skand, Manya, Shubham, अरे
So sir, but the statement is no door is a wall. So no wall will be the door ना?
तो true
हाँ,
ना?
statement तो वही है. ठीक है, हाँ.
वही है, correct.
हाँ, ठीक.
Skand, Manya
सर वो नो में ना यस हो जाता है.
और सबका हो गया, ऐसा नहीं है. No door is a wall तो no wall door हो रहा है. मतलब this is follows.
हाँ वो दिख रहा है फॉलो, बट वो वही तो मैं कह रही हूँ कि वो हमें नो बोलना होता है, लेकिन वो नो यस वाला हो जाता है.
हाँ, तो ये केयरफुल रहना है एग्जाम में कि माइंड में से वही होता है हल्का सा कंफ्यूजन. शुभम क्लियर? स्कन
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear.
ओके एवरीवन.
Okay, sir.
थैंक यू.
Bye,
बाय
sir.
बाय.
Thank you, sir.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
बाय बाय. थैंक यू.